When it comes to roof replacement, choosing the right professionals to handle the job is crucial. Your roof is one of the most important aspects of your home, providing essential protection from the elements, ensuring comfort, and adding to your home's aesthetic appeal. For homeowners in Macomb, roof replacement is a significant investment, and selecting Macomb Roofing Experts ensures that the job is done correctly, efficiently, and with long-lasting results. In this article, we'll explain why Macomb Roofing Experts are the best choice for your roof replacement project, highlighting their expertise, commitment to quality, and the benefits they bring to homeowners. Expertise and experience. The most important reason to choose Macomb Roofing Experts for your roof replacement is their extensive experience and expertise. Roofing is a highly specialized job that requires proper training, knowledge of building codes, and the skills to work with different roofing materials. Roofing experts in Macomb have years of hands-on experience, making them capable of tackling any roof replacement project, no matter how complex. In-depth knowledge. Macomb roofing professionals are familiar with the local climate, weather conditions, and specific roofing needs in the area. Whether you're replacing a roof after a storm or upgrading an old, outdated system, these experts know which materials will best stand up to the region's challenges. Training and certifications. Certified roofing experts continually update their skills to stay up to date with the latest installation techniques, technologies, and materials. With ongoing education and training, they ensure that every roof replacement is completed to the highest standards. Choosing a Macomb roofing expert means you're working with professionals who are knowledgeable, skilled, and capable of handling any roof replacement needs. High-quality materials. The quality of the materials used in your roof replacement is crucial to its performance and longevity. Macomb roofing experts work with top-quality materials from trusted manufacturers, ensuring that your new roof will provide superior protection and last for many years. Wide selection of roofing materials. Whether you prefer asphalt shingles, metal roofing, wooden shingles, or tile roofing, Macomb roofing experts can help you choose the best option for your home. They will recommend materials based on your preferences, budget, and the durability needed for your specific location. Durable, long-lasting options. Roofing professionals in Macomb offer materials that are designed to stand up to harsh weather conditions, including high winds, heavy rain, and snow. Quality materials mean less maintenance, fewer repairs, and long-term durability. When you hire roofing experts, you can trust that they will use the highest quality materials to ensure your roof performs at its best. Efficient and timely service. Roof replacement is a significant job that can disrupt your daily routine. The last thing you want is a long, drawn-out process that causes unnecessary stress. Macomb roofing experts pride themselves on their efficiency and timeliness, ensuring that your roof replacement is completed on schedule and with minimal disruption. Streamlined process. From the initial consultation to the final inspection, professionals work quickly and effectively to complete your roof replacement. They have the right tools, equipment, and personnel to ensure that the project progresses smoothly and is finished on time. Minimized disruption. Professional roofing experts understand that replacing a roof can be a noisy and disruptive process. They take care to minimize the disruption to your daily life, working efficiently to complete the job and keep your home safe and secure. By hiring Macomb Roofing Experts, you can rest assured that your roof replacement will be completed efficiently, without unnecessary delays or hassles. Comprehensive warranty and support. A reputable Macomb Roofing Expert offers a comprehensive warranty on both the materials and labor used in your roof replacement project. This warranty ensures that your new roof will be covered for any potential issues that may arise after the installation is complete. Material warranty. Many roofing materials come with their own manufacturer warranties, which protect your investment in case of defects or early deterioration. Roofing experts in Macomb work with trusted manufacturers to ensure that the materials used on your roof are backed by strong warranties. Labor warranty. A professional roofing company will also offer a warranty on their workmanship, guaranteeing that the installation is done to the highest standard. If any issues arise due to the installation process, the company will address them at no additional cost. With these warranties in place, you can feel confident that your investment is protected and that you'll have support if any issues arise with your roof down the line. Improved curb appeal and home value. A new roof can dramatically improve the look of your home, increasing its curb appeal and even boosting its market value. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years to come or are thinking of selling in the near future, replacing your roof with a high-quality, professionally installed system is a wise investment. Aesthetic upgrades. New roofing materials come in a variety of styles, colors, and textures, allowing you to choose a roof that enhances your home's exterior design. Whether you prefer a modern look with metal roofing or the traditional appeal of asphalt shingles, a new roof will make your home look refreshed and updated. Increased home value. A new roof increases the overall value of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Home buyers often look for homes with new, reliable roofing systems, and by replacing your roof, you're investing in your home's long-term value. By choosing Macomb Roofing Experts, you're not only improving your home's protection but also enhancing its visual appeal and marketability. Conclusion. Macomb Roofing Experts are the best choice for roof replacement due to their expertise, use of high-quality materials, efficient service, and commitment to customer satisfaction. Whether you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency, boost its curb appeal, or ensure long-lasting protection, these professionals provide reliable, top-notch roofing solutions. With their experience and skill, you can rest easy knowing your roof replacement will be completed to the highest standards, ensuring comfort, security, and peace of mind for years to come.